Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to separate date and time separately from date time format. Okay, so what I have is the date and time put together, and it is 9th May 2018, 12 p.m. 16 minutes and 34 seconds. You can see the format here. Okay, you have D triple M Y, then hour, minutes, seconds, and AM or PM. Okay, this is the format. Okay, what I want to do is I want to separate this from the date part and the time part. Okay, so how can I do that? Before that, I want to set the format. Okay, for date, it has to be something like date 14 March 12, or it's in custom format. I want this one to be TD triple M Y. Okay, the date part. Okay, similarly for the time part, I want it to be, go to custom, or you can select your own time part, whichever format you want. I just, for your understanding, I am typing here hour colon minutes colon seconds. Okay, then whether it is AM or PM. Okay, how to get the date? Okay, so date part. Okay, so actually I must tell you that if you change this one to format cells, you can see I change it to number. You can see the date, the representing number is 43229.51. okay, the 43229 is the date. Okay, and the 0.51 is the fraction part is that the time. Okay, so always the time is in fraction, and date is here in 43229, the integer part. So if we get the integer part of this number and convert to date format, then we will get the actual date. Okay, for example, I just type in 43229. You can see the date is coming, you see, and 0.51 you get the time. Okay, so what happens is that we must know how to get the integer and fraction part of this number, then we will automatically get the date and time. Okay, so I will change it to the previous format. Probably I will undo it. Okay, this is our date. So now you know it's a number, so I want the integer part of the number. How can I do that? Trunc, there is a function truncates. It truncates the any decimal part of a number, or it can even truncates up to any decimal. Okay, it can take out full all the decimals, or it can give one decimal, two decimal parts, or how many parts of fractional you want, it can give. Okay, it has two arguments. One is the number, and the other one is the how many decimal parts you want. If you don't give the decimal parts argument, then it will give only the integer part of the number. So trunc this number. Okay, this is nothing but the date, so I am not giving any number of digits, fractional digits I am not giving, because I want only integer part. Enter. So the integer part gives the, it will become number, but our format is the date format, so it convert that number to date format. Okay, fine. Now we want the fractional part, then it will give the time. So how can we do that? Just simply from this number you minus off the integer part, then you will get the fractional part. So this date minus the date part. Date part is given by trunc of the date. Okay, which is nothing but this part. So I am writing the formula so that it is useful to you to calculate without calculating the date. Okay, so you take out the integer part from a number, then it will become a fractional part. Then it converts, the format is a time format, so the fractional part become the time. Okay, So you got you have a date time 9th May 2018, you got the date 9th May 2018. Then the time part is 12:16:34 p.m. Then you also got the 12:16:34 p.m. You want to see it in the number, you can see it. You can see we separated the integer part and the fraction part. It will give date and time. Okay, this way you can separate any date time into two parts, date part and time part. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and some button is already there in the subscription in the screen itself, and God bless you.